Okay. Good morning again, you guys. Today is Sunday again, November 8th. I hope it's right. If not, I'll put the annotation below. But it's about 3:30 in the morning, and I am up because I have things to do. So this Sunday, I'm up right now because I have a lot to do today. So I want to get up early to get my day started as usual. I'm a morning person, if you guys don't realize that by now. So now I'm up, I'm in my computer room, and I'm going to get on the computer now and edit a video. I think I'm going to edit last week's vlog so I can put it up today because I was lazy to do that. And then also I am going to reply back to comments. Yes, I like to get that done early because I don't like to have comments waiting too long, so I try to reply back to them as soon as I get a chance to. It's about 3:30 in the morning and I'm up. Yes, now let me get working. I'm going to start replying back to comments, and then I'm going to, if I finish in time, maybe lay back down in bed again before my son wakes up. If not, then I gotta, wait, and today is wash day, so I get to wash all of this today. But before, I need to put that oil in it. Yeah. Alright, we'll figure it out. Okay, so right now it's about 4:40, almost an hour passed, and I'm still editing my vlog video from last week. I mean, I really don't know if you guys are gonna like it or not, but I do meal preps sometimes, and someone asked me about the meal prep, so that's why I decided to do the video. So I'm still editing the video, but now I think I've cut off, edited the clips. Now I'm rewatching it to make sure it all makes sense and make sure it's good. So while I'm doing that, this is the I guess pre-wash oil that I received in my October subscription box from Vegan Cuts, and basically it's an oil with a lot of different ingredients like coconut oil, coconut nut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and the instructions say you put it in your hair approximately half an hour or more before you wash it. So at least half an hour before you wash your hair, let it sit, and then you rinse your hair, then shampoo as regular and wash as regular. So I'm trying it out for the first time, and I'll be washing my hair this morning. So while I am watching the video, as I'm editing it, I'm going to put this in my hair at the same time so I can kind of multitask. That makes sense? So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So it is about 6 o'clock in the morning. I finished editing the video. It is trying to upload right now as I'm doing this. And I finished pre-oiling my hair with this product here, which was in my video. I will link that video in the description bar, but it was my Vegan Cuts review video for the Vegan Cuts box, the subscription box for October. So basically it has a lot of natural oils inside that product. The instructions say you put it in your hair at least 30 minutes before you wash it. So it's been about an hour and a half now that it's been in my hair just marinating, and now I'm going to wash my hair. Not sure if you guys can see, but it's going to be an outfit of the day video. This is my official Sunday outfit getup. Not this exact outfit, but something similar to this. You see I washed my hair, but basically t-shirt. I usually find like a big oversized t-shirt, one of my old shirts that I can't wear in public anymore, or that I got from some concert or some, free t-shirt from traveling or something. Put one of those on with leggings. And when it comes to leggings, the crazier the better. I wear very crazy and loud leggings in the house. I wouldn't necessarily wear them. I wouldn't wear them in public because I don't really wear leggings in public. But in the house, I just have this obsession with, I buy a lot of leggings and it has to be crazy, loud, just the most unusual leggings that I have. I have a collection of leggings that I wear in the house. And then socks. I love socks and thong slippers. I don't know why, but this is for in the house because I need to buy a new pair of winter slippers, and I don't like my feet to be cold at all. So for me to wear the thong slippers by themselves, my feet feel cold, and I hate that feeling. So I put on socks with it, and the colors are always bold and crazy because That's just my personality. So this is my usual Sunday get up when I'm not wearing my green robe, because my green robe is my boo thing. I love my green robe for the winter time. Wind down, wind down, wind down. Okay, too much. You're a pirate today?
Yes.
Arr, matey.
I'm mighty.
Is that what pirates say? What else do pirates say?
I'm mighty.
That's it? What else? See what Auntie's doing upstairs. Well, my sister's upstairs. See what she's doing. Go. I'm coming. I'm gonna close the doors. I think Taylor and Josiah is sleeping. Shh. Where's Auntie? You studying? What are you making for breakfast? Okay. I'm making breakfast then. Recording myself because I'm doing some stuff with this hair thing, this hair dryer thing. You want to be on camera too? Okay. You don't want to be on camera? Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it.
No.
Turn it. Okay, I'm just joking. You're not on camera. You're not. Look, look. You can see for yourself. You're so silly. Come, Naz. Cheers. This is some kind of good. Really good. Cheers. Time to make the fried dumpling. This has been sitting in the fridge for, right now it's 8 o'clock, an hour and a half. And now I'm taking it out. Wash my hands, of course. Gotta make sure your hands are always clean. And now I'm gonna make breakfast with this. Fried dumplings are all done. Delicious. Now, I'll be honest, this is not the most healthiest thing in the world, but you know, once in a while can't hurt. Food is done. Delicioso.
No, she said I sing it.
No, that's how you sing it. You say like, it's not the whole world.
I didn't sing like that.
And how do you sing it?
Like this. I got the whole word in his hand. You got the whole word in his hand.
But that's not how you sing it.
Yeah.
I'm in the big class.
You're in the little class. Yes, you're in the big.
You're in the baby class.
No.
I'm in the big class.
So I am in the big class.
No.
Miss James' class.
why
Miss James' class has big boys and
That's
big
why I'm
girls.
smarter than you. You don't know nothing.
You don't know what to do.
I do know what to do.
You don't know what to do, and you
don't even know how to count.
You don't know how to eat.
I just ate my breakfast. I do know how to eat.
No, you don't.
You don't even know how to talk. You talk like a baby.
You don't even know how to close the door.
Watch me close the door. Baby. You're a baby.
You don't know
You're a
how to
baby.
work.
Yes, I do.
You don't know how to work. Go to work. My son won.
You don't know how to read.
Oh, you can't read. You won. Now you're already done.
Right.
You don't know how to wipe.
Talk.
You don't know how to wash your face.
Oh,
that's so mean. And you don't know how to
He
bathe
said,
yourself.
"Wash your face." Go ahead. Goodbye.
Go brush your teeth.
Go upstairs.
You don't
Bye.
know. You don't know how to put the toothbrush on the toothbrush.
Oh, you don't know how to brush your teeth. You don't know how to brush your teeth.
And you don't know how to brush your teeth.
Oh, goodbye. Goodbye.
And you don't know how to turn
Now
the
that my hair is washed, I am just going to, it's semi-dry. It's just a little bit damp. My towel's on the door. It's just a little bit damp. Let's put you down. Oopsie. So now I'm going to just put some coconut oil in there just to seal in the moisture. So quick outfit of the day change. I'm not sure if you can see. Hopefully you can. Maybe I should turn on this light. But we've decided that we're going to go out. We got to go to the car dealership, take care of some things for my husband's car. And then we have a kid's birthday party to go to afterwards for a little boy that is turning, I think, 1 year old. 1 or 2. 1 year old. So that's maybe for my son, but we're going to go also. So I just put on classic all black. This is an all black knit dress. And I love it because the buttons go diagonally across the dress. And then I wear it with some thick leggings, really thick leggings, and then just some basic riding boots. But these boots in the back, you see, I love the detail in the back. See that? It has the blue trim and really cool. So that is my complete outfit party. And then my makeup is just my basic everyday makeup, which is just a little bit of foundation, mascara, eyeliner, blush, lip gloss, and of course my brows. So we're out here in the car. Nezzy, you okay? Baby boy's in the back. And we're about to head to the dealership, and then after that we're gonna go to the birthday party. Right now it is about 11:44, so almost 12 o'clock. Have to get to the dealership by 12. And then the birthday party starts from 1 to 5. I like that. It's early. It's a kid's party. Should be early. 1 to 5. And then tomorrow is work. Say hello.
Hello.
My husband just forgot his phone, so we have to turn back around. We didn't get long. We got about 2 blocks. We have to turn back around and get his phone. And now he got it. So hopefully everything works out at the dealership. I'm going to try to take as much vlogging as I can. Hubby's not really too much vlogger per se, but I'll try to get him on camera when I can. I have you on camera. Silly. I have what?
You that statement thing is looking for. You got it?
I have it. You got the car keys?
Yeah.
You got the phone? You ready to go?
Yo, Bridget, yeah, tape me for.
All right, goodbye. Stop taping you. back home, my living room, and the warmth of my home. I think this is gonna be it for the night. Yeah, so had a good day. I didn't do any meal preps at all today. I didn't cook any meals. So now I am just gonna get ready. It is about 6:15, so it's not that late yet. So we're probably going to just, I don't know, just chill, do some family stuff. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. But yeah, I'm home. So that's it, you guys. So I had a fun day today out and about with the family. And that is it. Sorry, I'm not holding this camera too good. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. And please let me know in the comment section if you guys are liking these vlogs. Yay, or nay, keep, or let go. And I'll talk to you guys later in my next video.